morning, sir. It is the next day. He hates intros. He hates getting looked at. He hates people, right? Mm-hmm. So it's the next morning, and we, as soon as we ended last night, we turned to each other and we're like, oh, we never mounted the painting. We totally forgot about that. The transmissions had us so flustered, we forgot what we had to do. So, it is now Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And we need to mount that aluminum catch pan under this thing here. So that is the plan for today. And once that is done, then we are actually ready for tomorrow. So,
just tighten the lower control arms.
Did I tighten the lower control?
Yeah, the ball joints.
Yes. Okay. Cotter pins even on this side. I don't have a cotter pin for that side, but we don't need that. It's just extra weight. So, yeah, we're gonna get this pan mounted up under there. We have no idea how yet. We haven't even like taken it under the car and looked at it, so we don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna look at it, and we're gonna show you guys, and then we're gonna mount it. You guys are gonna see it, and then you're gonna see this thing either explode or go fast tomorrow. So that's the plan. So let's get this pan on, shall we? Alright guys, so we just wanted to show you our problems here. So we took this stupid welder apart. We used it to do the cage and a few other small things, but it works every time. And now all of a sudden it'll weld for like 10 seconds and just keep tripping the breaker. So we can't figure out why it's drawing more power than it's supposed to. It doesn't make any sense. But can't weld like that. It's not working out. So what we've done thus far is you can see that little piece of angle iron hanging off the weight plate there. That's going to mount to this. And we also added a second 1-inch thick plate onto our current 1-inch plate. And I can't even believe the welds are holding because they're horrible.
Buggered.
But it's on there along with, like we said, that piece of angle iron that you see there. And the point of that is to mount that. So, got a little bit more weight on the front. And also, like we said, the catch pan will be on there. So, what we're going to do now is Jesse is going to take that to his work and weld it on with the welder that works. And I'm going to finish putting together the other video from yesterday. And we'll come back and regroup and get this thing finished and finally be done for tomorrow. So, once he comes back with the welded piece, I'll show it to you guys and then continue on from there. Sweet deal. Back from doing what we had to do, and luckily Jesse over here hooked it up and he ran the weight plate back to his shop and he got this thing welded up so we can have a mount for this aluminum skid plate and also add some weight to the front of this thing. So like we had said before, we added a 1-inch thick plate and now there are two 1-inch thick plates, and if I remember correctly, they were like just over 40 something pounds, like 42, 43 pounds a piece. So I think, remembering back, the weight plate might have been like 38 pounds by itself. Then with the sand, it went up. We put 25 pounds of sand in it, or 28 pounds of sand.
Yeah.
So that's like, you know, roughly 60 something. And then I remember with the plate, which was like 42 or 44 pounds, it took the total weight up. It was like 103, I want to say. 103, I think it was.
Well, we're about to find out what it is now. I don't remember.
So we should have had another 42 on there-ish. So it should be one.
I think each plate was 46. I can't remember.
It might be 46. So I'm hoping for 140 to 150. So I'm hoping at least 140 total weight of this plate. And then we also added this little piece of angle iron on the end there, which is an angle iron, but it works. It's actually a piece of a bed frame, like the metal rail bed frame that we had laying in the basement. We took it, so it'll work. You can see the little slots there. That is a bed frame, my friends. You guys gotta learn. You're gonna learn today. But yeah, so we're gonna get this thing. We want to weigh it real quick, and I know bathroom scale, but hey, it works. It worked last time, and didn't matter how we positioned the weight. It weighed the same. The 50 pound bag of sand weighed 50 pounds. So the scale's accurate. It works. So we're gonna just give this thing a quick little weigh, see what it comes out to be.
You want me to stand it up or lay it flat?
I was gonna lay it flat, but I don't think it matters.
Okay, well,
it's just easier to lay it flat.
Yeah, all right.
But yeah, no, it'll read it either way. So you want to put it on, or me put it on? Your choice.
Don't you gotta tap it though? Makes turn it on or something?
No.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Okay.
Like you hold it after the 10 seconds. 5 seconds
Put it on the wood.
Yeah, that's why I have it on both pieces. Just be gentle. Don't drop it on the scale. $151.8. Nice. Nice. That's exactly what I wanted to see.
That's some good weight there.
So there's 150 pounds that's gonna hang off the front of this car, and it's gonna help keep the front end down, baby. That's the goal. There's 150 pounds in the front of this thing. That's heavy, boy.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this hung back up there. It mounts on the, you know, the tow hook mounts. Very simple. And then we're gonna start hanging that aluminum pan, and we'll show you guys what we come up with. What's going on, guys? It has been quite a mess the last couple days. So it's currently Friday, and obviously we're not at the track. So the car's loaded. Last night, once we got the news that the track had canceled, and we were gonna go make a test it on the street to try to get things dialed in and prepared for this coming Sunday, because it's our last hope to shot at the track, because ACCO's saying they're gonna run Sunday as long as the weather and wind is you know, doable, and then they'll close for the rest of the year. So we got the car ready and loaded up, and we're just gonna see how our luck goes over the weekend. But in the meantime, Jesse showed up to work on his tow rig here, his pickup. It was a daily for a while, but started having some torque converter noise and some issues, so he's been wrenching on this thing. So I just wanted to cap off this video. I was not sure if I was going to post it or not, because there's not a whole lot to it, but I just figured it'd be worth, I don't know, we recorded it, we got the weight figured out on the plate and everything, so it was just worth showing. But unfortunately we're not doing anything that we wanted to do. So fingers crossed for Sunday, and we'll see how it goes from here. And if we go, you guys will know, and if you don't, then you'll know in another way somehow. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching.